Dear student, let us start the class. Today we are going to discuss some of the questions from the chapter patterns. Okay, the topic is creating patterns. Okay, so before starting the class, let us revise what are the two topics we got in this chapter. The first is a pattern, the second is a basic shape. So what is a pattern? Pattern is repetition of a shape or a group of shape in a particular order. It gives rise to a pattern. Okay, and the second is the basic shape. So what is the basic shape? The repeated parts of a pattern are known as a basic shape. So basic shape can be one shape, two shape, or it might be three shape also. Okay, that three shape is repeated again and again. We have to identify from a pattern what is a basic shape. Alright children, these are the two main important topics we got in this chapter, patterns. Alright, now the today's topic is creating patterns. How do we create pattern? Okay, we create pattern when the order is given to us. When the order is given to us, we can continue to draw the or create the pattern. Let us look at the first question. Draw the next two shapes in the pattern. A pattern is given, we have to draw the next two shape. What is the first given here? It is a rectangle, then triangle, then rectangle, then triangle. What will come next? Okay, the next shape will be a rectangle. Alright? The next shape will be a rectangle and the next is a triangle. Okay, so children, it looks like a rectangle but the edges are not, but the corners are not sharp. Okay, it is curved, okay, or rounded. So you can draw in this way also. Alright. The next is a number pattern. Okay, this is a shape pattern. This is a number pattern. What is given here? 1, 3, 5, dash, dash, dash. We have to write. Now when we look at the order, we can see that the numbers are skipped here. Between 1 and 3, what number comes? The number 2 comes. Okay, it is skipped. Similarly, between number 3 and 5, 4 comes. Okay, so it is skipped. It is skipping by 1. Okay, skipping by 1 number. So what we get here? 5. 6 we can say skip and 7 will come. Alright. Similarly 9. Similarly 11. Okay. After 7, 8 we can omit and 9. After 9, 10 is skipped. Then 11 will come. Children, you can do a number pattern in this way when you have to look at the first order given here. If you look very carefully, if you read the question carefully, then only you can give the correct answer. This is a simple number pattern. Okay, some are complex number also given or a 2-digit number also given. Okay, you have to look how many numbers are skipped. Whether you are writing in the forward order or the numbers are written in reverse or in backward form. Okay, children. So you have to look at the order what is given here. Then only we can continue to write the or create the next pattern. Here is skipping the number by 1. Okay. The next is a pattern about some symbols. Okay, so these symbols you can see in your computer or in your mobile phone also. Okay, the first symbol is @ okay, then hash, then star. Okay, this symbol are very familiar. You can see in your laptop, you can see in your desktop or in your mobile phone. Okay, again it is given @ hash and star. The first symbol it is called as @. This symbol we use when we have to write an email. Okay, in email ID we have this symbol. The next is hash. Hash you can get in your mobile phone also. And the next is star. Okay, @ hash and star. Now here a pattern is created with the symbols used in a computer. Then what we have to do? We have to write the next symbol which will come after this. So @ hash star, @ hash star. What will come next? @ hash and star. Okay, so this is a pattern of symbol, computer symbol. Okay, Similarly, these symbols also you can find in a computer or in a mobile phone. Exclamatory sign, that's a dollar sign, then percentage. Okay, 3 is given here, that means the basic shape will be this. Okay, we'll go to basic shape one by one. Exclamatory sign, the dollar sign, percentage, again exclamatory sign, dollar sign. What will come next? The percentage will come. Okay, the next what will come? It will again start from the first. Okay, exclamatory sign and the dollar sign. Now the next is, you don't need to write here the percentage. Okay, only 3 is required. So you will write here, you will make a pattern till here. Now each of these has got a basic shape, except for the number pattern. This tree has got a basic shape. Okay, repetition of the order. So what is the basic shape here, which is repeated again and again? The triangle, rectangle and the triangle is repeated again and again. So these two will be the basic shape of this pattern. Okay, similarly what will be the basic shape of this pattern? We can see 3 different symbols are repeated again and again. So at the rate, hash and star will be the basic shape. Okay. Similarly, what is the basic shape here? The exclamatory sign, dollar and percentage. These 3 will be the basic shape of the pattern. Okay. So in this way we can create patterns. Next topic is tiling. Okay. Tiling we have already got in this chapter. So tiling is, we are creating a pattern using different shapes and color. Okay. In your book also you can see tiling, and you have given, like, see here in page number 17 also you have done. These are all called tiling, and here shapes are used and different colors are used. Okay. Now this question is that, is tiling always made of rectangles? Okay. Tiling is always made of rectangles? No. You can see squares also. You can see triangles also. Okay. The tiling also pattern is used. It is repeated and colors are also used. Okay. Now if I say rectangles, you can already see. Okay. These tilings are all made of rectangles. Now how does the tiling looks with shape squares and triangle? Okay. Suppose this is a tile. Okay. So I can use square also here. See. Alright. I can use the shape square also. Similarly, if I use a tile like that, okay, I can use rectangle also. Okay. I can use triangle also. I can use square also. I can use triangle also. Okay. So in tiling is not always made of rectangle. So you can write no. Tiling is not always made of rectangles. Tiling is not always made of rectangles also. We can use the shape square or triangle also. Okay, children? The next question is, name one game that has tiling made of black and white squares. Okay, so you have to name a game where a board is used and there is what, black and white squares are used. Only black and white squares are used, and it is repeated. It is a tile. Okay, squares are used and the two colors are used, that is white and gray. Can you name the game? Okay, the name of the game is chess. Okay, in a chess, it is a tiling is used and what boxes are used? Square boxes are used and black and white boxes are repeated again and again. Okay, children? So this is the topic for today, creating patterns. Okay, we can create the patterns by looking at the order and we can continue to draw. The next is tiling. Okay, so tiling is not always made of rectangles. You can find squares, you can find triangles. Alright, and the name of the one game that has got black and white squares is chess. CHESS. Chess is an indoor game. Okay, where you can see small figures are used. Okay, and there two people can play in a game. Alright, children. So this is the class for today. I'll upload the questions in the PDF file in the Google Classroom. You can go through it and write it down in your copy. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day.